Hello everybody, thanks for watching. Merkabah Academy full site is coming soon. We are really excited about where we stand so far, and the site is progressing well. But before we can continue construction, we need some help. If you paid for Never Pay Again membership, we need you to go to merkabahacademy.com and register now. Make sure you register using the email or name attached to your payment method. This way it will be easy for us to update your account. If you already registered using a different name or email, send us an email so we can update your account. Check your email for more information. If you ordered a book or flash drive, your order came with Never Pay Again membership. Now, because of this delay, we are extending our Never Pay Again sale until Sunday for only $9.99. This will give everyone time to register or purchase Never Pay Again membership. But Sunday will be the final day and the sale will not be extended. The flash drives is also still available until Sunday at the same price of only $39.99, and it comes with Never Pay Again membership. Our new estimated launch date is now September 18th. All free accounts will be allowed to register September 28th. Thank you for watching and see you at the Academy.